Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I have a Born Pretty collab and we have 3 different colors to try out, a top coat and some 3D sculpted gel. So getting straight into this, we're gonna first off pretend like I'm not mad right now because I had to edit this video twice and I'm doing the voiceover for the second time, but let's not talk about that. Anyways, the first product is a beautiful cat eye gel polish that is called Moonlight cat eye, and I feel like that's the perfect name because the way it shimmers. And I did try to kind of test out the magnet effect a little bit, but I have these really tiny magnets and my full magnet won't be here till the middle of the month. Next up is what I consider the most perfect winter blue. It's like a really cool tone. I don't know how to describe colors, y'all, sorry, but it's like kind of a stormy blue, I would say, and I love it. It's really pretty, obviously, and I'm gonna be using it as my base today. I feel like you could really get away with 1 coat with this, but I did do 2, and I just really love this color. Like, even though it's my second time doing the voiceover, I have the same opinions and feelings about this gel polish. I love it a lot. Very happy to add this color to my collection, especially it being Born Pretty and everything, because Lord knows I have enough blue polishes from another brand. But anyways, the next color we have here is a jelly gray color, and it's kind of, I would describe it as like a cloudy white, but it is a gray once you build it up. I feel like it takes up to like 3 or 4 coats, and y'all will see that on my thumb, to build it up completely. But for now, y'all get this little swatch, and I don't have any swatch sticks. I still don't, and I still haven't bought any which is crazy. I should, but I've been doing fine without the swatch sticks. But anyways, next up we have the top coat, and the top coat I do love. I will be telling y'all about it once I use it. It's a beautiful top coat. It's underrated in my opinion. And next up we have the 3D sculpting gel, and I chose clear because I feel like clear is very versatile. You can do a lot of different designs if it's clear. So yeah, 3D clear sculpting gel. So I also wanted to show y'all how full this jar came. Like, it's really full, and like I poked like a hole in it, and I don't know why I did this, but I cut it out in this edit, but I did it a lot just because it was really satisfying. And if y'all get this, I recommend doing that. Anyways, moving on to the design. I'm starting off with a base of this color for all of my nails, and I'm going to be doing 2 coats, 2 thin coats, so that the gel polish can cure evenly and it turns out to be a smooth application. If you lay your gel polish on too thick, it will be like, end up like having a bumpy consistency to it, not even peeling off the nail. It would just be bumpy because it's thick. So just make sure you put thin coats of your gel polish down, especially if you're doing just a base color, which is what I'm doing right now. So next step is the Moonlight cat eye gel. Like I said, I don't have my full magnet yet, so like the effect that I was able to get off of it, I wouldn't call it disappointing. It's just disappointing to my standards because I wish I could get like the full cat eye effect, but I had to use tiny little magnets for now. But don't worry, I am getting my full magnet soon, so I'll stop complaining about it soon. I did try to use that because when I first got it, I thought it was a magnet, but it's still not a magnet. I don't know why I tried it again. Like, it's not gonna turn into a magnet all of a sudden. But anyways, I'm basically trying to get that effect where at one angle you can see all of the shimmery glitter, and then at another angle it like completely disappears. I'm not sure if I got that effect. I don't think I did, but I try my best with these tiny little magnets. And also the fact that it's a 5XL extendo tip, it probably does not make it any easier, but I did try my best, and this is what it came out looking like. Also keep in mind that I do just do these nails for content, so I popped them off right after, so I do have a peel out base coat on, so I can't really like give y'all tips on longevity, and I couldn't do that anyways because my acrylic nails don't last. The only nails that have ever lasted for me is polygel. So yeah, if y'all want another polygel video, I can do that, of course, but right now we're doing this. So I'm gonna show y'all for the next nail how I do it, but with the flash on, because I wanted y'all to see how it looks with flash. It looks stunning in my opinion. I really love how it looks. Also, for all these products, I do have an affiliate link linked below, which means that I earn a little bit of commission if you buy the product. I also have a code that I will have in my description below for 10% off, which is also an affiliate code. So if y'all want to support me that way, check my links and codes out. And this is only for Born Pretty. This is the only company that I am an affiliate with, by the way. But everything that I'm going to be using is linked below with affiliate links besides the 3D gel. I still recommend the 3D gel, but I don't have an affiliate link at this moment with that. But moving on, I recommend using gloves, because otherwise you're gonna get your fingers burnt, because it burnt my fingers. But I couldn't use my glove because it stuck to my glove even though I put alcohol on it. So honestly, I don't know like how to do it without using a glove to where like it would be safe, but you must use a glove when you work with gel. Unfortunately, like it just wasn't working for me. But basically I just took a small piece, a very small piece, and rolled it in between my fingers until it looked like this, and then I just did a little squiggly line and took the excess off. And I'm going to be repeating this step for all the nails. With this brush, I do have it dipped in some alcohol, and I am using it just to smooth out the sculpting gel, because it's not the most self-leveling thing in the world, because it's made to hold a shape. So to smooth it out, I do have to put a little extra work in, but you know, it's worth it for the design. This design I wanted to try out because it's trending right now. I don't know if I did it right or wrong. I have no idea, but y'all can let me know how I did in the comments with this design, and just your overall thoughts on the video, because I mean, I need to know what y'all want to see. Like, do y'all want to see more reviews, more aquarium nails, more extendo nails, more short nails? Like, let me know and I will have y'all covered. But anyways, repeating this step on all my nails, I'm gonna let the rest of this play out, and then we're gonna move on to the next step.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you said, anywhere.
So for the next step, I'm just painting the bottom part and the part where I added the gel. And I'm doing 2 coats of this on these 4 fingers, and I did 4 coats on my thumb. And really the difference is that you can't see the shimmery underneath my thumb, and you can't see any blue underneath my thumb. It just looks like a stark gray and blue contrast, which I don't mind. It's just that I didn't want to have to do that on all my hands, like 4 coats on all my fingers, I mean. And also I love the way that it looked with 2 coats as well, so I didn't have any problem not doing 4. But after I do that, that's going to be it for this design. Y'all let me know what y'all think of these products below. Like I said, I will have everything linked. This is how they look before the top coat, and I will be talking about the products while I top coat. So the 3D sculpting gel I love. I just wish that I could use it with a glove. I don't know how, but other than that, I love it. I love the thickness, and the transparency is super clear and it doesn't yellow at all, so that's nice. The Moonlight polish, obviously I love it so much, and I cannot wait to use my full magnet with it to see the full shimmery effect. Like, it's so beautiful, y'all. They have a variety of different cat eye gels, but I chose this one because I've never tried one like it before. I've never even seen one like it, so I definitely had to try it out. For the jelly gray color, I do love the color. It's going to be very much utilized during this winter month. Not winter month, but winter season. I think it's nice that it's buildable. I love that because it doesn't have to be transparent. And yeah, that's my thoughts on that. And as for the blue, I really love the blue. Like, it's probably going to be my favorite color that I've gotten from Born Pretty besides one of their pinks. I don't know. Obviously I love pink, but the blue is really pretty. And honestly, if you're doing short nails, you could get away with 1 coat easily with this blue. So I love the quality. Thank y'all so much, Born Pretty, for sending me these products, and I have more coming from them very soon. And I just appreciate the fact that y'all send me these products and that they are good quality. On top of that, like, they are really good quality. Now this top coat, my favorite top coat. It's my favorite top coat. I have so many different top coats, and this top coat right here, after I used it, it became my favorite. I love this top coat. It is so glossy. It reflects the light like crazy. It's so nice. When they say super top coat, they really mean super top coat. So that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. Let me know what y'all think of these nails. Remember that my affiliate codes do give me a little bit of commission, so support me that way, or use my affiliate links, which will be linked below, and my affiliate code would also be linked below for 10% off. So y'all can use my links and my code to support me. And also, y'all can support me by leaving a comment and a like, and let me know what y'all think about this video and the nails. I know I said that like 3 times already, but let me know. And thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.